I'm Stefanie Mosca. We're here in Austin, Texas at IT Expo West 2011. I'm here with Jason Jacobetz with Zenith Infotech. How are you today, Jason?
Good, how are you? Thanks for having me.
Good, yeah, thanks for being here. We have an exciting show this week. I know that Zenith Infotech is a vendor at the show.
We are.
Would you like to talk a little bit about the company?
Sure. Zenith Infotech is a remote monitoring and management company that specializes in delivering help desk services and NOC services to channel VARs and MSPs. We also have a BDR solution, backup disaster recovery, that we launched in 2007. And just recently came to market with a brand new cloud solution. And that's what we're here today showcasing it.
Would you like to talk a little bit more about the cloud solution?
Sure. Cloud solution is actually our foray into something brand new for the company. Like I mentioned, in 2007 we launched backup and disaster recovery. That was a solution that was hardware-based, was the only solution available to MSPs at the time that did backup both on-site and off-site and did a form of virtualization. So if there was something typical like a hardware outage or a failure, not only were we able to do backup, but we were able to bring that environment back up using virtualization. Inherent with a hardware solution like that, there are some problems that come along with it. And slowly but surely, our MSPs began to grow out of the solution. And it was along the same lines that we were developing a cloud-based solution. And with cloud comes the typical things like reliability and high availability and scalability. So in order to replace some of the things that we had with BDR, along comes cloud, and we just launched it in January of this year.
Great. Now I know that you mentioned reliability and security, but what other challenges do you find the company running into in terms of cloud and moving towards the cloud?
Well, the biggest challenge is actually education. So educating our market on the differences between what is cloud, what is private cloud, what is public cloud. Our solution is a private cloud, so it takes the best of both worlds. So you have a cloud-based environment that is highly redundant. If you have an outage, you can recover from it using virtualization, but it's still local to the environment, so that it's not somewhere physically out being hosted somewhere else that you don't have direct access to your data.
Okay, great. And I know you guys are pretty involved in MSP World, which is co-located with IT Expo this week. Could you talk a little bit more about your involvement at the show?
Sure. At booth 1602, this week we're going to be showcasing what we call Smart Style. That's our cloud computing solution. And within Smart Style is another solution called Mirror Cloud. So Smart Style and Mirror Cloud, we actually have the hardware on the show floor, and we're going to be running demos through our cloud management system, so customers can come up, partners and prospects alike, and take a look at the solution and learn how easy it is to actually navigate through the product using drag and drop technology, be able to configure a private networking environment, and be able to get backups and disaster recovery built right into their customer's network in a very, very short scaled period of time.
Great, and I know that after IT Expo you have the Zenith Roadshow coming up.
We do. Yeah, this is, roadshows have always been a core of what Zenith does, regardless of the product that we use or what trend we're following, like cloud or what we're trying to showcase. The roadshow is a way for us to get out into the local market and actually meet face-to-face with our customers. It's very rare for in this day and age for a vendor to come along and want to have this much face time with its customers. But indeed, it's the customer experience that we have that we solicit great feedback from, something new like a product launch with our cloud solution, that we're able to go back and incorporate some of that into updated version releases or new products that we're coming out with.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here, Jason.
Sure, thank you.
Once again, this is Stefanie Mosca with Jason Jacobetz with Zenith Infotech.